Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I have found this interesting question while doing a course on Coursera about Excel. So here's the question. They asked the distributed address is in the format street address, postcode and state, which we can see in the inventory in distributed address. Here is the street address here, then the postcode, this and state, NSW. So in E5, enter a calculation that will retrieve just the postcode. So they're wanting just the postcode from the distributed address. Which of the following combination of functions could you use to achieve this? So I think it's mid and find. So let's try it out. So we'll go in for printing, then click here and then type equal. So then we'll type mid function tab. They are telling me to pull the text, which is inventory, this, and then comma, and then start number. So here is various situation where there is no fixed number, start number. Here we have only this length. Here the length is much more. Here the length is also very more. So we need to find a delimiter which will separate the postcode. So let's use the find function, find. Then they're asking for the find text. What we want to find, the delimiter. Okay, then we will give them the delimiter, which is comma, separate comma and a space. Okay, here you can see comma and a space, and then comma. Then now they want within text, from which text we want to find the delimiter, from this text. Okay, then comma, start number. Well, we won't give any start number, as Microsoft Excel will find the first delimiter here, this comma space instead of this, because this is the default system of the find function in Microsoft Excel. So we will not give any start number. We will in bracket, which concludes our find function, and then they want the num characters for mid function. So okay, the num characters would be 1 2 3 4 for our postal code. Okay, 4. And let's in the mid function, press enter. Now what you can see is comma space then 20. The reason behind this is because here we have given the function that comma space and then inventory f4. So they started counting this phone number right from comma. So let's see, comma space 20, that's 4 digit. But if we increase this number with +2, find find the delimiter, which is the commas position +2, which will exclude the position of comma and space, and find the exact position of our postal code's first digit. So let's give enter. Boom, we've got the number. So and let's fill it now. Here you see, no matter how long the text is, you can see various numbers here, but it will always extract the 4 digit postal code from here. That is very nice. Okay, interesting. Now let's go for number 10. The question number 10 is change the calculation in E5 in here to also include the state before the postcode. So they want me to include the state before the postcode. Example NSW 2007. Okay, copy the formula down. Acha. Okay, so they want the state name before the postcode. So we already have the postcode. We need to extract the state, and these three NSW, VIC, NSV, these 3 digits, and then add it before this postal code. So I think what we need to do now is to concatenate, text join these three numbers with these four. Okay, so let's use the concatenate function, and then they asked me for the state names first, so we will use the state first. So let's go here. Here the state name is in the last is in the right of the distributor address. So let's cut this. Let's say write function text. What do you need to find from where? From here. And the number of characters is last three numbers from the right. So that would be NSW, VAC, NSB. So last three numbers. Okay, close bracket, and then comma to make it the first text of the concatenate function. And then we will go, our second text is this mid function, and then we will close our function concatenate function, and then press enter here. NSW 2007, just like they told me to find. Okay, so now fill it. Here you have the answer they wanted. So they asked me what is the value of check digit 5, which is 7022. 7022. I hope this is the right answer. Let's see. Submit unanswered question. Go back to avoid confusion. Make a change in to avoid confusion. So guys, as you can see that the answers are quite right. They selected median find as the correct answer, and also 7200 as correct answer. So this is the proper way to do it. Thank you very much for watching. Give me any suggestion if you want. Suggestions are always appreciated. Thank you.